Hello, I hope you guys are all doing great. This is the nail art design we're going to be working on today. We're going to be working on two patterns, both consisting of cherry blossoms. Let's get started. The first thing I've done is I've applied this Jessie's Girl over my entire nail. It's called Firefly. Followed by that, I'm going to get this green nail polish. It's by Wet n Wild and it's called Limelight. I'm going to be applying this one like a swervy side swipe. I'm going to start over in this corner. I'm just going to go all the way around and I'm totally going to round it off in this corner, bringing it all the way and then just filling it in. And allow that to completely dry. Once your background is completely dry, it's time to go in with a darker green nail polish. I'm going to be using this one by Santee and it's called Bikini Green, and I'm going to be applying it with a makeup sponge. I've allowed the first sponging to completely dry and I'm going in again with a second sponging, but I'm only applying it over the very tips and the corners. I'm going to begin creating the little branches of the tree, and the size brush I'm going to be using is this one right here. I've dipped in my black and I'm going to start a little branch over this way and I'm just going to start swerving it all the way down. I'm going to dip the very tip again and I'm just going to begin branching out from the first original one, going every which way. Once your branches are in place, it's time to begin placing the little flowers. I'm going to be using this size brush, and that's what the tip looks like. And what I've done here on the side is I've applied white and pink paint. So I'm going to be getting my brush, and on the very tip I'm going to put white, and on the other side I'm going to put pink. So I'm going to be doing this several times, and what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be selecting which of the little branches I want to add the little flower to. So I'm just going to be placing dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to be placing those 4 little dots several times around my branches. For creating the ring finger flower, I'm going to be using this size brush here, and that's what the tip looks like. Once I was done editing my video, I realized that on my ring finger, my hand was in the way most of the time when I worked on my flower petals. So I'm going to be showing you on my practice cardboard exactly how I achieved the flowers. I'm going to dip my brush half in white and I'm wiggling. This assures me that both sides are saturated. I'm going to move over to the pink one and do the same thing. I'm going to be showing you, let me see if I find a space here on this little space. I'm going to be placing the darkest part in the top and I'm not going to wiggle my brush. I'm going to go straight down and pick it up. And I'm going to be doing this 5 times. So I'm going to go down and pick it up. I'm going to go to the side, do the same exact thing, press and pick it up. To the other side, and that's all you're doing 5 times, and pick it up, and you can see that the paint is sort of wearing off, so I'm going to go in again, do the same thing again, dipping on both sides, and I'm going to be doing the 2 remaining petals. So I'm going to go in, making sure that the pink is on the bottom side, and I hope I'm blocking it again, aren't I? Okay, so we're going to be placing our last little petal right there. Okay, so that's basically the technique I used for creating the flowers in our ring finger. Using some burgundy paint, I'm going to dot the center, and I'm going to bring out a couple of little stripes coming out from the very center. On both of them. Now using some yellow, I'm going to go in between the stripes and I'm going to be dotting just in between here and there. I'm going to do the same thing to both of them. Going in between the burgundy stripes we made. I'm going back with my burgundy and I'm going to be placing a little bit of dots. I don't want so many either, just a tiny little bit of them around. Now I'm going in with my same brush and I'm going to be creating the little branches. I'm going to go around this way. I'm going to be connecting to that one, going that way, and then from here we'll branch out that way. I'm going to move to the top flower and I'm going to be doing the same thing. The last step is to apply your top coat and you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and try out this nail art using your favorite colors. Be safe and I'll see you next time. Bye!